Today I'm making a delicious drink that I had one time at a Mexican restaurant. I'm making this video because my niece requested it. So Angie, this is for you. Okay, so the ingredients that I have here are 1 cup of rice. You can use any kind of rice. I also have 1 can of condensed milk. I also have 1 can of, well, it's not in a can, it's in a bottle. 1 jar of carnation milk. 1 can. And also I have vanilla, 1 teaspoon. I have some ground cinnamon, and 1 cup of rice. And I'm gonna put everything into the blender and blend it. So I soaked my cup of rice in 3 cups of water to soften it, so it'll make it easier to blend. Now I'm going to pour the rice water and the rice into the blender and blend everything to a smooth consistency. Okay, so now I'm going to finally finished blending, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to pour it now into this bowl and strain it. Okay, so I'm going to measure out a cup of carnation milk. So now I'm going to pour the rice water back into the blender with the condensed milk and the carnation milk and blend everything together. I added a sprinkle of cinnamon in it. I might add some more later. I'm going to add the vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I decided to add some more cinnamon. Traditionally you add cinnamon sticks, but I don't have any, so I'm just using ground cinnamon. Now I'm adding 2 cups of water to it because the consistency is a little bit too thick for me. I'm going to strain it again just to make sure I get all the grit out of the milk, and then it should be ready. Now I'm adding some ice and it's ready. I can't wait to drink this. This looks so delicious. Well guys, this is my delicious horchata. This is a drink that's very simple to make. It doesn't require many ingredients. I mean, it's fattening, but it's well worth it. So, well guys, thank you again for tuning in for another video. Please stay tuned for some more upcoming videos. Please share my videos, and please tell your friends and family. All right, thank you again for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.